Hey guys, Jen Wilson here with Copilot Vans. We have our new build out of a 144 Sprinter. It's for a family of 3 who does a lot of adventuring, mountain biking, climbing, skiing, and snowboarding. So this is the all maxed out adventure van for them to be able to get out together. They've got a 9-year-old son, so it's really important that they could hang out and work together as a family. So let's take a look inside. Before we hop inside, let's look at some features on the outside. We've got an outdoor cooktop table that drops down. It was really important for our user that he wanted to be able to cook outside occasionally and drop his outdoor stove out here. So he does have an indoor one for camping in the wintertime, but in the summer he wanted to open up and cook outside, so we have this drop down table for him. Next to that, we have the pull-out Dometic cooler fridge combo. We wanted this to be able to be a feature that you could easily access from outside when you're grilling out here. You can get to your food, pull out whatever you need, a beer, a hamburger, whatever works, veggies, close her up. It's also great because this is readily accessible for his son in the back. So if his son wants to grab a pop while they're on the road, it's really easy for him to just pull over and pull something out of the fridge. Since this is a Sprinter and it's a family of 3 and space is obviously going to be a little tight, we did need a safety certified seat for their son to sit in. So we have a Ford Transit 2-seater. We have a Lagoon mounted table which breaks down from the mount below and comes off flat. So this table can then store on the wall next to the seat safely and is out of the way when in transit. To go with the table, we have 2 swivel seats in the front that turn around so the family can hang out here and utilize the space for meals and hangout time. And then mom can also work here, so we've installed an outlet underneath the table that's hooked up to the inverter. We have a lot of upper cabinetry, which a custom piece up here with the built-in light and a dimmer switch that goes above the table. We also currently have one above the cab with some bungees to hold everything in place, and currently it's storing our custom magnetic window covers. Along with maximizing every square inch, we really took that to heart in the kitchen space. We have a drawer built in above the fridge to not waste any of the space above it. We also have the hob cooktop here from Dometic, which opens up with a sink stove combo and also closes to give you more open counter space when not in use. Underneath that, we have full 2 opening doors that access the water, the gray water, and the clean water. Our client did not want to deal with tanks or winterizing. He just wanted to be able to pull jugs out, so this was the perfect solution for him. We did custom sized cabinetry for each utensil storage that he would need. One of the important ones obviously is the trash. So everything you can see is retrofitted to fit exactly what he needed to use in this van. One of the wife's only requirements was that she wanted a cassette toilet. So we built it in a drawer system on heavy duty slides that can hold up to 250 pounds so that she can easily pull this out, use it, and push it back in. Above the countertop, we have 2 door storage that opens up with different shelving compartments for each family members and clothing. 2 of the shelves in here are also removable, so you can pop the doors off easily and put in larger gear if you need a little more space. Last but not least, in the kitchen is the most important for food storage. We have a giant horizontal pantry above the sink area for all the dry goods. One of the more unique things about this van is needing to sleep 3 people in a functional way. We didn't want a permanent bed that was down, so we have this bench area here that converts into a full-size bed that sleeps 2 adults. And then we also have the drop-down bunk that comes from down here for their son that can hold up to 250 pounds. We've got quick release pins that come down. The bunk bed drops down. Behind the bunk, when it folds down, we've got a USB outlet with 2 ports in it, so their son can charge his iPad or phone here. We also have a USB light that's hidden in this storage bag that he can plug in when reading at night. So this is the van in full sleep mode. If the son is with them, husband and wife are sleeping on the bottom. You can see there's plenty of room for 3 people, really comfortable and easy to set up. It's super easy to get into bed mode. These quick release latches let go, these front legs pull out, and it's got a support system underneath it to support the bed. Underneath the bed, we have additional storage for outdoor gear. It's long enough to fit skis and snowboards with an additional durable shelf that is removable to put boots and stuff on top of, or taken out if you need to store bigger gear. The entire box is also wrapped in coin roll to ensure that it can handle wet and muddy gear. So you don't always have to lift the bed for access. There's also a hatch in the back. The van is also equipped with L-tracks in the floor for mounting down bikes inside the van. We also created custom insulated window covers with magnetic quick releases. Thanks for checking out this latest build of ours. If you have any questions, you can find us at copilotvans.com and also Copilot Vans on Instagram.